Today we will be finding the missing legs A and B of a 45, 45, 90 triangle. To find the missing legs, we will use a special triangle formula, 1, 1, root 2, and later use trig functions to find the missing legs. In the example here, our triangles are similar, and each side are similar. A is similar to 1, B is similar to 1, and 4 is similar to root 2. We will be finding A and B at the same time because leg A and leg B are equal lengths. First, we will set up a ratio. We have the hypotenuse 4 on top and leg A and B on bottom. Since these triangles are similar, we will set root 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. Second, we will cross multiply to find the missing lengths, simplifying it to A root 2 equals 4 and B root 2 equals 4. Then we will divide root 2 on both sides to get A and B by themselves, and we will get that A equals 4 over root 2 and B equals 4 over root 2. After that, we will multiply root 2 over root 2 to get A and B into simplified radical form and get A equals 4 root 2 over 2 and B equals 4 root 2 over 2. Then we will simplify it even more to get A and B equals 2 root 2. Now we will find leg A and B's length with the trig functions sine, cosine, and tangent. In our triangle, 4 represents the hypotenuse, A represents the opposite leg of the angle being used, and B represents the adjacent leg of the angle being used. First off, we will start with sine. The formula for using sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Since A is opposite, we will put it on top and 4 on bottom because it's the hypotenuse. We will use the angle 45 to get sine of 45 equals A over 4. Then we will multiply 4 on both sides to get A by itself, and resulting with A equals 4 times sine of 45 to simplify A to 2.82. Now we will use cosine to find leg B. Cosine's formula is adjacent over hypotenuse. Since B is adjacent to the angle being used, it will go on top, and 4 will be on bottom because it's the hypotenuse, resulting with cosine of 45 equals B over 4. Second, we will multiply 4 on both sides to get B by itself, and we will get B equals 4 times cosine of 45. Then we will simplify that to get B is about 2.82. Lastly, we will use the tangent formula opposite over adjacent to find both A and B. Since we found out that A equals 2.82 and A is the opposite side length, we will put 2.82 on top and B on the bottom because B is the adjacent side length. Next, we will multiply 2.82 over 2.82 to get B by itself and find that B equals 2.82 over tangent of 45. Finding once simplified by using a calculator that B is about 2.82. Now to find A, we will follow the same steps, only replacing B as 2.82 and leaving A as the top, because it's the opposite leg to the angle. Now we will find tangent of 45 equals A over 2.82. Then we will multiply 2.82 over 2.82 to get A by itself, resulting with A equals 2.82 times tangent of 45, finding that A is about 2.82.